Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to link services to your account. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now use users and accounts. Go to linked services and now you can link Apple Music, Discord, Spotify, Twitch or YouTube. Let's select Twitch, now link, and go to Twitch TV, activate, and scan this QR code or enter this code located on the right side to link your PS5 with your Twitch account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.